Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: the incredible health benefits of pig meats. While many people are familiar with the various types of meats available, pig meat, commonly known as pork, often gets overshadowed by other proteins. But today, we're here to shed light on why pork deserves a spot in your diet and how it can contribute to your overall health. First, let's start by addressing the elephant in the room: the common misconceptions surrounding pig meat. Many people avoid pork due to outdated beliefs about its nutritional value or concerns about health risks associated with its consumption. However, modern research has shown that when consumed in moderation and prepared properly, pork can be a nutritious addition to your diet. One of the standout features of pig meat is its impressive protein content. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, supporting immune function, and promoting overall health. A typical serving of pork can provide a substantial amount of high-quality protein, making it an excellent choice for those looking to build muscle or simply maintain a balanced diet. In fact, lean cuts of pork such as tenderloin or loin chops can be just as beneficial as chicken or turkey when it comes to protein intake. But let's not stop at protein alone. Pig meat is also a fantastic source of essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, pork is rich in B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, which play crucial roles in energy metabolism and the production of red blood cells. These vitamins are vital for keeping your energy levels up and ensuring that your body functions optimally. Additionally, pork contains important minerals such as zinc and iron, which are essential for immune function and oxygen transport in the blood, respectively. Now, you might be wondering about fat content. It's true that pork can be higher in fat compared to other meats, but not all fat is created equal. Lean cuts of pork are lower in saturated fat and can be a part of a heart-healthy diet. The key is to choose the right cuts and prepare them in a healthy manner. Grilling, baking, or roasting pork rather than frying can help reduce excess fat while still delivering all the delicious flavors. Moreover, the fat found in pork can provide essential fatty acids that your body needs for various functions, including hormone production and nutrient absorption. Let's talk about flavor. One of the reasons people love pork is its versatility and rich taste. From savory sausages to succulent roasts, pig meat can be prepared in countless ways that cater to different culinary preferences. This versatility means that it can easily be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it a convenient option for meal planning. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty pork stir-fry or a comforting pork stew, there's a recipe out there that can satisfy your cravings while also delivering nutritional benefits. Another aspect worth mentioning is the role of pork in traditional cuisines around the world. Many cultures have long celebrated pig meat for its flavor and culinary potential. From the spicy chorizo of Spain to the sweet and sour flavors of Chinese char siu, pork is integral to many beloved dishes. By incorporating pork into your diet, you're not only enjoying its health benefits, but also connecting with rich culinary traditions that span the globe. Now let's address the topic of sustainability. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainable farming practices, and the pork industry is no exception. Many farmers are adopting more humane and environmentally friendly practices, which not only benefits the animals but also contributes to healthier meat products. By choosing pork from reputable sources that prioritize animal welfare and sustainable farming, you can enjoy your meals with the added peace of mind that you're making a responsible choice. Of course, it's essential to consider portion sizes and balance when adding pig meat to your diet. Moderation is key, as with any food. Pairing pork with plenty of vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can create a well-rounded meal that nourishes your body without overindulging. For instance, a grilled pork tenderloin served alongside a vibrant salad or roasted vegetables can make for a satisfying and nutritious dinner. As we wrap up this exploration of the health benefits of pig meats, let's emphasize the importance of making informed choices. Whether you're a longtime fan of pork or someone who's just beginning to explore its potential, understanding the nutritional value and health benefits can empower you to make better dietary decisions. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. Enjoying pig meat as part of a varied and nutritious diet can lead to numerous health benefits. In conclusion, pig meat is more than just a tasty option for your meals. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that can contribute to your overall health. With its high protein content, essential vitamins and minerals, and versatility in the kitchen, pork deserves a place on your plate. So next time you're planning your meals, consider adding some lean cuts of pork to your shopping list. Embrace the flavors, enjoy the health benefits, and savor the culinary traditions that come with it. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your favorite pork recipes and how you incorporate pig meat into your diet. Until next time, happy cooking.